Hello. Hello. Am I audible to you? Hello. How are you all? So we are going to start 3ds Max today, and please let me know if I'm audible correctly in the comment box. Put a comment if I am audible. So after that we can start our session. My voice is clear or not? If all the things, put a comment in the comment box. Okay. So in the today's session, so this of CS Max. In this session, we will talk about the introduction of 3ds Max. Okay, and the use of 3ds. 3ds. Just a second. So first of all, I hope you all are know about the AutoCAD. Okay, so this is the basic. So I'm writing here. This is the 3ds Max. And the origin company of 3ds Max is also Autodesk. Autodesk. And if you all are know that, can anyone tell me who is the AutoCAD in the comment box? Anyone know about it or not? Who is the origin company of AutoCAD? Okay, so AutoCAD is also AutoCAD by the Autodesk. Okay, same company by the Autodesk. So both are the product of Autodesk. Of, of 3ds Max, write down in your notebook initial release of release of 3ds Max was in the was in the 1996. Okay, 3ds Max, and the name of 3ds Max at that time, that was the 3D Studio Max. 3D 3D. So, and if this is not our part, but the X is like C language, C++, and Python is also used in the C 3ds Max. Okay, and now the release of 3ds Max. So I'm going to write here. This is the stable release release 3ds Max. That is the Vista 2022, and Vista is the code name. So this is very little introduction about the 3ds Max. Now I'm going to here. So you all are going to learn about this. You all are going to learn 3ds Max. So you need to know about the use of 3ds Max. So right here, use Max. There are many use in the industry of, like you can see, we use 3ds Max for the generation for creating model creating, and model may be in architecture model we create, like interior and exterior models we draw here, and also the use in the animation field also, in the animation. Okay, now the another use of the 3ds Max is detailed 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 3D characters. In this use 3ds Max also, and also the use of 3ds Max is in the photorealistic designs, photorealistic designs, and we use 3ds Max in the, like in jewelry. Okay, and in many movies, uh, we use 3ds Max to create the complex scenes. Okay, so this is the use of the 3ds Max. Now write the very little things about the, like what the configuration for your laptop required. Minimum 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 RAM required is RAM required 4 GB, but 8 GB is recommended. Okay, okay. Now let me know now voice is clear or not? Guys, it's clear now? Rohit Kumar, please check now. Okay. So it's voice is clear now. No? We can start now. Okay. So I write here the very little introduction about the 3ds Max. Okay, and I write here the minimum RAM required for is 4 and 8 GB is recommended. Okay, now the 9 GB 3 disk space required. 3 disk space required is required for the installation. So this is the minimum requirement of the for system if you are going to use the 3ds max, okay, because it's a animation software, no. That's why you need very good configuration laptops and systems. This is the very little bit part. If you have any doubt in this part, you can anyone you can ask in the chat box. In the checks, so we can go further. Yeah, graphic card is also required. It's better if you have a graphic card in your laptop. 4 GB graphics card, NVIDIA you can take. Mac and Mac are no meaning Azuruddin. There is nothing for the like M, for like A, for X, for the Max is one word. Okay, like this is stand formally X X. Okay. Okay. Now see, into we are going to talk about the now units. Okay, we are going to learn a software. If you are going to learn any software, okay, in the civil engineering, the RE, first of all you need to learn about the unit system. Okay, because CDS Max is the parametric software also. You can, yeah, graphic cards. See, I'm writing here about the types of unit. So unit. Hello. Yes, am I now? Now, if everyone, please put a comment in the chat box if all the things are clear. My voice is clear now or not? Okay, okay, okay. So I'll I'll in just a second. See here. First of all, I'm right here the AutoCAD. And I told that AutoCAD is AutoCAD is the Autodesk, and same like 3ds Max is also product of Autodesk. Okay, and the initial release of the 3ds Max was in the 1996. The name at that time of the 3ds Max was the 3D Studio Max. Okay, now after that the stable release right now of 3ds Max is we are using Vista 2022, and Vista means this is the code name. And after that I write here the use of 3ds Max. What are the use of 3ds Max? We can okay, sorry, actually there was some obstacles are there. Connect connection. Right now all things are clear now. So I'll revise everything again. So I write here the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is the product of AutoCAD, and the 3ds Max is the also product of Autodesk. Clear? I hope my voice and all the layers are clear now. ER Jubair Mohammed, please check now. My video is visible. Okay, now we discuss about the initial release of 3ds Max. It was in the 1996, and the name at that time was the 3D Studio Max. Now, stable release of 3ds Max. Now we are using this one. This is the Vista 2022, and now next one is the use of 3ds Max. There are many use. Mostly we use in the architectural field, and in the architectural field we create interior and the exterior forms of our building. And another this one we use also in the animation things also, and in the render detailed 3D characters from the photorealistic designs. And I'll also note it here that we use 3ds Max in the some movies and the to in the games also to create like some complex scenes. So this is the use of 3ds Max. Now, after that, I write here the types of unit, and I let you know there are two types of unit. First one is the metric unit, and in the metric unit we cover like mm, centimeter, meter. The one is the unit. And this inch, feet, yard, biga, etc. They are coming in the imperial unit. Is it all the things are clear? If anybody has a doubt, please ask in the chat box. Okay, okay. Now see, this is the unit conversion, okay? In the unit conversion, I write here in the 1 feet, 12 inches are there, and in 1 yard, 3 feet are there. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, and 1000 mm. Now you people can see here, the I convert the units like imperial to imperial, and metric to metric. Now we can convert like imperial to metric also. if I write here in the 1 meter, how much feet are there? Okay, so 3.281 feet in the 1 meter, and in the 1 inch mm. Can anybody tell me? Anybody know about it? In 1 inch, how much mm are there? Rohit, from my side, all the things are okay now. We can check again. No, it's not, Rohit. Actually, it's not 35.4. It will be like 25.4 mm. Okay, it will be 25.4 mm in the 1 inch. Now tell me, in the 1 inch, how much centimeter are there? How much centimeter in 1 inch? It's easy, like it will be 2.54 centimeter. So this is the basic things like we discussed today, and they are the basic introduction of 3ds Max. Now we are going on the 3ds Max. I open 3ds Max. I'll show you how it will look like that. This is the 3ds Max, okay? And now you can see this is the GUI. All the things the first is visible to you on your screen right now. That is called the GUI. What is the GUI? GUI is the GUI means graphical user interface. When you open, this is a definition of GUI. When you open any software, the first screen is visible. First is working screen is visible. GUI, okay? Yeah, it's 2.54 centimeter. Correct, Rasmi. Very good. Now, so this is the 3ds Max, and now I'm going to describe you how we use this one. All things are there. You can see there are a lot of things are there. So there are four working space. Okay, like you can see the first one, the boundary. You can see the boundary is coming yellow color. Okay, just a second. You can see when I'm click on this. Actually, we have a four working here. See here, first, second one is this one, and third one is this one. Like you can see, third one this one, and fourth one this one. Same like AutoCAD 3D, we can do here. Okay, and you can see this is the view box also. You can change the directions of our like you can see model in the from the front, from the back, from anywhere, from here. Okay, and to hide and to show these lines. Okay, they are the grids. Okay, they are the grids, and to hide and to show them, we use G. This is the short key. Press only G. Don't need to put the enter with the G. So the short key I write here, grid, hide, hide and show. For that we use G. just press G only. Press G. So now I'm going in 3ds Max and I press the G, G. And click on any workspace. You have four workspace right now. You can see one, two, three, four. When you click in any workspace, the boundary line is yellow coming. It means your workspace is active now. Okay. If I click here, the boundary line is coming on this one. Like so, it is right now. Okay. So this is the shortcut for the grid. Now anyone can tell me to this in the AutoCAD. Anyone know about it? In the AutoCAD, what is the we used to hide the grid? Okay, just put your answer in the chat box. I'll see it later. And I'm going the further about it. Like see here. This is the cube box. We already talk about it. We can see any view from here. In the Max. This is the 3ds Max. Suppose you want to see only one workspace, so just click on this workspace. Which one you want to maximize? Press Alt W. Press the key Alt W. By using the Alt W, you can maximize your workspace like this. Understood? So this is the to maximize workspace. We use the shortcut is the Alt plus U. Sorry, Alt W. It's Alt W. Okay, my fault. It's Alt W. Maximum viewport we use Alt W. Now we I'm just clearly listened about it. We only discuss only two things till now in the 3ds Max. They are the very important. First thing is the that we can hide the grids by using the press the G. Just click on the any workspace and press the G like this. We can hide them and we can show them. Okay. And if we want to maximize our workspace, we can press Alt W. And if you press the again Alt W, it will be this Alt W, Alt W. Now you can, if I put the Alt W like this, now you can see select only one workspace you will get here, and I'll explain you what the things are here. Just a second. Now see, only one workspace. You can see here. This is the just a second. This is the cube box. Okay, in this top, side, okay, front, bottom, all the things like this. And the short key, if you want to the top view, like just press the short key for top. See in the 3ds Max. If I, you can take a box from here. If I want to create a box, you can see here the box is written. If I want to create a box in the 3ds Max, so how you will create? From here you need to click on this one, the box option like this. Okay, so click on the box and you can draw like this, drag and give the height like this. Zoom like same like in AutoCAD when you zoom. by using the mouse cursor. Okay, and you can drag also. Okay, you need to press the your cursor and you can move like this workspace. Okay. No, top view of this object. So press T. This is the top view. Okay, so this is the short key for the top view. So right here, if you we need to do top view, just press T. If I want bottom view, just press B. T B. Okay, for the bottom view B. For bottom view of any object, bottom view of any object, press B. And for the left view, press L. T B L like this. Okay. For the left view, press L. For the left view. Now next thing is you can see the shortkeys. Now I want to do the perspective view. Just press the P and you can rotate your object by using the Alt. Press the Alt and with Alt press your mouse cursor also and drag like you can rotate it. You can see below the object signs. You can hide them by using the G. Ah, Rohit, take now till now. Just see, I take a box and I drag it length width define now, and I click anywhere. For now, for in our further classes, we will learn how we can create parametric objects like length. We define length, width, height, all the things. Okay, drawings. But for now, I create box usually. Okay, so please ask if anybody has a doubt till to begin. Further. And I hear some very little short keys. They are not much complicated things are there, like grid height. So for G press we and for the maximize workspace we use Alt plus W. For the top view to T, bottom view for any object B. For the left view press L. Okay. Now see the next thing here. You can see here if you ever use the AutoCAD 3D, you will got here the perspective view, and next one is the realistic view. Just a second, I'll show you the three things are there. You can see the the ball is visible here. This one. First of all, we are going to talk about this one. What the use of this plus. Next one we talk about the perspective view. Last one we talk about the realistic view. So there are three things. First one, second, and the third one. Okay, just write the name of this one. They are the visual style. Okay, visual style, visual style. They are the visual styles. Now we talk about the plus symbol. What is the use of this one? See here. We press Alt W right now, so you can see the four view are coming right now. Okay, this one is the realistic perspective. This one front view here. This one top view, and this one left view. Okay. Now what I want that layout. I want different layout. Okay, I don't want like four slides here. So you need to press on the plus symbol. You can do Alt W also, and here you can press the plus symbol. When you click on this one, there is another option, configuration viewport. Configuration viewport. Click on this one, and you can see in the layout option, you can choose any type of layout. Like if you want this type, apply. Okay, now layout is different. Only three slides are there. If I press Alt W, you can maximize. But if you press again Alt W, you will get only three slides because with three slides. Again, if I see four slides, click the plus, control viewport, layout, and it's are here. Apply OK. Now do the Alt W, again Alt W. So I write here the process. This is the topics to change the change the change the layout of slides. And process that we follow, like first of all, we need to click on plus symbol, plus symbol. Okay, that are in the left upper corner, left upper corner of working working screen. Like this, you can remember that. And the next step is the configure viewport. Configure viewport. Okay, and after the next process is the next step is the to click on the layout and select layout and apply. I hope all you are getting my point, what I want to say. And this is the topic to change the layout of slides. I hope this topic is clear now. The again I'm doing that, and I'll show you. Just click on the plus. This is the left upper corner of your working screen. Plus configure view, and select in the layout option like this, and apply. Okay, like this. Okay, now press the Alt W. Layout is facing like this. Okay, again I need to, if I want to change it, configure viewport and select this layout, apply. Okay. So anybody has a doubt, so in this till now, you can ask. If anybody has a doubt, what we talk about everything today, these things are okay. Anybody has a doubt, please ask now because we are going to talk about the many things from now. Where the complicated. So all the things are should be clear. Okay. So I hope the things are clear now. Now suppose I write here. Now see the what is the use of the F3, okay? F3, that is the function key. By using the F3, you just press F3 like this. If you press again, your object will be in the realistic mode. Okay, so write in the notes, if we want to change any object from wireframe to wire realistic F3. And also, if we want to change realistic to wireframe, we use F3 again. Rohit, if any, Azudin, any doubt you have till now? If all the things are clear now or not? Okay, okay, Rohit, okay, okay, Azudin. Now the next thing is, see here, we are going to learn about the modification in the in our models. Okay, so if I click now, we didn't know about the length, width, and the height of this box, and we can change them. Okay, we can set according to when I'm click on this box in this property panel, the box name is visible here and the color also visible here. See again, right now there is nothing. When I'm click on this one, box name is here and the color also visible here. When I'm just a second. When I click on the box, stay in this part, okay? In this one part. The box name will be coming here and the color of box will appear here. See here, if I click on the box 001, this is the name of this geometry. and you can change the color from here of this geometry like this. Now I want to change the length, width and height of this object. So how can I change? Click on this one, and this is there is another option of modification, modify option. Okay, I'll show you. See this one. This is the modify option. You need to click here. Okay, just first of all select your object. Suppose this is the box, and click on your box. Click on your modify toolbar that is visible here. If I click on the modify, you can see length, width and height visible here. You can change from here. Like I want length is the 10 feet, press the 10 feet. Bara feet, press the Bara feet. Height also you can change like the 10 feet if you want, like put the 10 feet if you want. So very little thing we understand today. How can we change the age of geometry in the 3ds Max? Only we talk about the box till now, okay? There are many geometries are there, okay? When you click on this one, create. This is the option of create. Like this, see here. Click on this point. After you will got box and all the things are there. See again. This one, this one. When you click, the name of this is the create. Create. Click on create. When you click on the create, all the things are visible here. So only one thing we clear is the box. Now we are going to talk about the cone. Then a sphere, then geosphere, cylinder, tube, torus, pyramid, tube, pot, plane. Now, okay, I'm going to draw the cone here. Just click on the cone and draw like this. It and also you can give the diameter of the upper part of this one. Ajruddin, actually, we learn in our further classes about the unit, okay? In the today class, I only explain you which type of units we have. We have like metric unit and imperial unit, and in the tomorrow either or one or two after two or classes we talk about the unit also, how we can set unit and all the things. Okay. Today only we are going to discuss about the solid models like box we create here and cone idea, and also you need to draw all the things at your home today. Like just click on this pair and draw like this, geosphere and draw like this, cylinder take and give the cube you can create like this. Just drag and give the height. Torus like this, and teapot you can take and you can draw like this. Yeah or not? By using the drag, you can make all of these things. Yes. Okay, so all the things are for today, and again just I'm doing the quick revision of all of these things we like talk about it today. I'll provide you notes also. Okay, Okay, what I'm writing, I'll give you everything. Like I write here, AutoCAD is developed by the AutoCAD. Max is developed by Autodesk also. Initial release here, I write here. Stable release I write here of Max. Use of 3ds Max. The minimum RAM required. Disk space required. Metric unit, imperial unit, unit talk. GUI what is the and grid height and so all that some little short keys we talk about here. To change the layout of slides we write the steps here and wireframe to realistic F3, realistic to wireframe F3. And see just all these objects we create from here, try to create them. I'll teach you again tomorrow, okay? I'll explain you all of these things tomorrow if you are not able to do them. Okay, so that's enough for today. We will meet tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Azudin, tomorrow I'll explain you everything. Okay, tomorrow spare and US spare I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, in the tomorrow class we will talk. Okay about these things. No problem. I'll write your question today. Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you and good night. So.